Hi Viraj, welcome back.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good to go.
Yeah.
So now we will deviate from our temperature and related questions. Before that, I want to show you that you can also calculate Mach number related sums using those same units in your NavCalc. Okay,
Yeah.
so you find all these calculations in your NavCalc, in your, what do we say, airspeed calculations, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to check something which is known as fuel consumption.
Yeah.
Every engine consumes fuel to give us thrust. Okay. The fuel consumption is rated on hourly basis. In one
Yeah.
hour, how much is my fuel consumption?
Yes, sir.
Fuel consumption is often given in kilograms
Yes, sir.
per hour. So kilogram is weight. They can
Yes,
also
sir.
give you pounds per hour. So there are two ways, kilograms and pounds,
Okay.
depending upon which country you are. Similarly, it can be given to you in weight, that is in pounds and kilogram, or it could be given to you in volume, that is gallons and
All liters. Yeah.
gallons per hour, liter per hour. So
Yes, sir.
fuel consumption is weight per hour and fuel flow is gallons per hour.
Sorry, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So fuel consumption, and we have fuel flow. Fuel consumption and we have fuel flow.
Yes, sir.
Fuel consumption is given to you in kg per hour. Fuel flow will be given to you in liters per hour. If I'm changing it to pounds per hour, then it will change to
Yes, sir.
gallons per hour.
Yes, sir.
This pounds and gallons is known as imperial units.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
open your calci, find out fuel related units and show it to
Yes,
me on
sir.
the screen. Now, fuel calculations are very easy if you understand. Okay, wait, let me enlarge your screen.
Yeah.
Volume,
Duration, rate, weight,
just shift it a little bit.
rate again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This here, like this. Okay. Yeah.
So they are telling you volume, duration, and rate, and then they're telling you weight and rate. Along with that,
Yes, sir. The
type.
type of gas.
Click on
Yeah.
type and see how many types can you feed in your NavCalc.
Jet fuel, oil, AV gas,
Avgas.
avgas. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So let's keep everything zero.
Yeah.
Question number one. Okay, let me show it to you on screen. and let's see how it on the
Yes, sir.
NavCalc. Your fuel consumption is 2-3 kilograms per hour.
Yes, sir.
Time to destination is 1 hour 37 minutes.
Time to destination is 1 hour 37 minutes. Okay.
How much fuel will you use?
Use.
Tell me, how will you solve
So
this up?
yes, sir. Mm. So, one. Radius 2300 kilogram. Okay. Time duration is 1 hour. Okay. 2300. उसके बाद
Every
में
sum can be solved in two ways. One is
yes
mathematically,
sir.
second is NavCalc. Use whichever method you want, use your logic.
Yes sir.
Quickly, I'll only give you limited time.
Yes sir. Mm. 328
Your fuel
230.
consumption per hour, you replace it with your rate. Okay?
Yes sir. So 3778 kilograms.
3,778 is not correct.
It is not. Mm. 1 second, sir. Mm.
You're very close to the answer. Cross check your answer.
So I did it with my scientific calculator.
Okay.
So what I did, so for 1 hour it was taking 2,300 kilograms, and then I calculated for the remaining 37 minutes
How much is
and
37
added them.
minutes?
So it is 1152 plus 32.
How will you
1478, I guess.
Sorry, say again.
1478. No, no,
Okay.
no, no, no. One
How much
second.
is, see, very simple. You convert
Yes,
hours,
sir.
minutes into point hours.
Point hours. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Either 37 multiplied by 60 or divide by 60. What will you do?
60 divided by 60. Yes, sir.
37
Uh,
divide by 60 or multiplied by 60?
uh, I'll divide by 60. No, sir, or yes. I'm confused. 1 second. Mm, so, yeah. 60. Just now to take a 60. 37. Okay, okay. Cool. Mm, 230. So, mm, 1. Mm, it will take. Okay, 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 okay. 1 6
See, very easy.
2300.
The most easiest method
Yes, sir.
is open your NavCalc. In that,
So it
rate.
is 3611. 3611.
No, open your NavCalc. Show me your NavCalc. I'll tell you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Open
So
fuel
rate
flow.
is 23 kilograms per hour.
Duration. Let me see. Show me. It's like whenever I talk, it
1
highlights
hour.
me. So let me see if I can.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, sir.
Duration and weight.
So
Okay.
1 second, yeah.
Uh,
Duration will be
1 hour 37 minutes.
mm,
Weight.
and the rate is 2300. Duration. So the weight will be 3718 kilograms.
Exactly.
3000.
So
Yes,
easy.
sir.
Show me your
Yes,
calci.
sir.
You put rate into 300 and duration was fed as 97.
97 minutes.
Okay. Correct. Easy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you calculate 37 minutes, how much is 37 minutes into point hours? So 37 divided by 60.
Yes, sir.
How much is 37 divided by 60?
Mhm. 0.61 hours. Yeah,
So 1
I got it.
hour,
Yeah.
0.61. So
61.
1.61 hours.
61 hours. Yeah.
So do that 1.61 into 2300.
Yes, sir. 1.61 into 2300. 3703.
This is close to your answer, correct answer as per
Yes,
the
sir.
NavCalc. So
Yes, sir.
NavCalc will give you accuracy. That's why we take
Yes, sir.
NavCalc and that's why you're
Nav
allowed to use
calcium.
NavCalc.
Yes, sir.
Everything is in front of you. You have to use your logic and
Yeah.
feed in proper details in the NavCalc and your answer will always be correct.
Yes, sir.
So 3718.33
3
kilograms of
kg.
fuel is the total fuel that we need. So you need
Yes,
to know
sir.
how much fuel you need to carry. Along with that, you need to use how much extra fuel you will carry then.
Yes, sir.
So everything will be helpful to you during your planning phase. Now I'll give you another sum.
Yeah.
Your fuel flow is 130 imperial gallons per hour.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
have 380 gallons left above your reserve.
Yes, sir.
What is your safe endurance? Did you see a word called endurance in your NavCalc?
Endurance is not given here, sir. There is volume, duration, rate, and type. 1 second.
There will be.
Mhm.
Now write down what is endurance. Endurance is the maximum number of hours you can stay in air with the available amount of
Okay,
fuel.
okay.
The max time in hours
Yes, sir. Max time and hours. Yeah. We can stay in air. So we have in gallons. Okay. US gallons, LBS per
So endurance is the total time you can fly on this fuel. So if you have 1 hour, 130
fly.
imperial
Yes, sir.
gallons, 380 gallons will give you how much time of flight?
Yes, sir.
Are you following? It's very easy. This is per
Uh,
hour, so you need to find out how
so
many
yes,
hours in 3.8 gallons. If you don't have it directly in the NavCalc,
yes,
use common sense.
sir. Due to
Say again. Say again. Are you there, Viraj?
sir, read you one.
Viraj, how do you read me?
Sir, read you one.
Okay. How about now? How do you read me now?
Sir, read you five.
How
Yeah,
do you read me now?
read you five, sir.
Good. If you don't have direct endurance related sum, it is common sense. You know the fuel flow. You know the
Sir,
total fuel left in
2 hours
volume.
92 minutes.
2 hours, 92
Yes,
minutes.
sir.
Now, can there be 92 minutes? Are you serious?
No, 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 no. 2.92 hours, right?
So
Yes, so that
0.92
will be
multiply by 60
um,
to give you answer in minutes.
multiply by 60. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 380 130 380. It will be 175.38 minutes.
Sorry? How much is? I
175.38
want
minutes.
answer in hours and minutes.
Okay, you want answer in hours and minutes. Okay, okay,
Hours,
okay.
2 hours is there. Okay. Convert it into,
Yes, sir.
convert 0.90, whatever you had into
92.
minutes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 0.92. So, sir, it will be one
How
second.
much is 0.90? What was it? 92.
0.92 into 60 into 60, that is 55.2.
So 55
And
minutes. Getting it?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
55 minutes.
2 hours,
Point 2
55
further
minutes.
into multiply by 60 will give you seconds.
Seconds. Yeah.
So what's your answer?
2 hours, 55 minutes.
Yeah, how did you solve it? Tell me.
So, sir, the rate was 130 imperial gallons
So
per hour.
you divided
And
380 divided by 130, right?
yes,
Is this what you did?
I did in my NAV calci.
Okay, wait. Show me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me see.
So I don't know why the weight is 379.60, but I did it three.
Wait. So your total answer was duration 2.92 hours. So your given was your rate and your weight. Correct. Rate
Yes.
and weight. Yes. If you want the same answer in gallons per hour, no, that is you have already. Hmm. So see, you don't change 130 pounds per hour here. No, it is the upper value. Gallons per hour, upper value.
Okay.
Check the units.
Yes.
You be
Okay.
careful
And
with
the
your
rate,
answers, decimals, and conversions into minutes and seconds.
yes, so. So the volume will be 130 imperial gallons fuel flow.
There are two options to feed in the rate. Right
Yes,
now,
sir.
the rate in the calci, you put it where the unit is gallons per hour. The upper
Yes,
value.
sir.
There are two rate options.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Show me.
Oh, yeah. So, sir, is the answer correct or it is wrong?
change this value 21.69, change it to 130.
130, yeah. 130, weight is that.
And show me where you're feeding 380.
Yes, sir. 380 will be the weight. The rate will be
No, the weight,
one.
we don't have the weight. We don't have the weight.
Okay.
Okay, show me your calci.
So what is 380 then?
380 is the volume, the total volume.
Volume. Okay.
And your volume in the calci is adjusted to US gallons. Change it to imperial
US
gallons.
gallons. Okay.
Press the unit conversion.
US gallons, UK gallons.
UK gallons. Imperial is UK.
UK. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
total volume is UK gallons. Your rate is
Okay.
130 gallons per hour.
Okay. Yes. UK gallons, and my rate is 130. My volume is 380. 130. So the answer is same.
Yes, answer is same, but we did it incorrectly earlier.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have to be cautious where you're feeding what.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. True.
See,
Yeah.
I don't care if the answer is correct. How did we reach the answer? That matters.
Yes, sir.
Or you lose a
Yes,
lot
sir.
of marks in the examination.
Yes, sir.
The answer was correct, and this is why half of the people don't clear navigation because वो पूरी तरह से नहीं सोच समझते हैं.
Yes, sir. True.
तुम क्वेश्चन रीड करो अच्छे से और उसको अच्छे से फीड करो नाव कैल से.
Yes,
सारे
sir.
यूनिट्स अच्छे से देखो वहां पर. आंसर
Yes, sir.
सेम आ रहा है. करेक्ट.
Yeah. Yeah.
वॉल्यूम गैलेंस में होगा. हमने अभी तो देखा व्हाइट बोर्ड पे.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fuel flow
Get
will be.
used
Yeah,
to
yeah,
these
yeah.
things. Get used to these things. आंसर 2.92 आ रहा था, उसको भी मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट किया हमने. और हमने गलत जगह पे गलत चीज
2.55
डाली थी.
minutes. 2 hours 55 minutes. Yeah.
और ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. इज इक्वल टू ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. 1 घंटे में इतना वॉल्यूम गया तो टोटल वॉल्यूम को कितना टाइम लगा. 380 डिवाइड बाय 130.
130. Yeah.
So 380 divided by 130 will give me 2 hours 92 minutes. 2.92 hours.
Yes, sir.
Correction,
2.92 hours. Yeah.
So मैं
Yeah. That is 2
92 को
hours
मल्टीप्लाई
55
करूंगा
minutes.
60 से तो 55. 2 hours 55 minutes.
Yes, sir.
समझ रहे हो क्या?
Yeah. So समझ गया.
So
Yeah.
380 divided by 130 gives me 2.92 hours.
Yeah.
Now 0.92 hours into minutes. कैसे करेंगे? 0.92 into 60 is equal to
Yes, sir.
55.2. So answer is 2 hours 55 minutes.
55 minutes.
And seconds को करना है तो 0.2 into 60 कर लो.
0.2 into 60. Yeah.
2 hours 55 minutes. And how many
12
seconds?
seconds.
0.2
12
into
seconds.
60, 12 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Endurance. तो एंड्योरेंस का फॉर्मूला आ जाएगा टोटल फ्यूल अपॉन फ्यूल फ्लो पर आवर. सिंपल.
Yes, sir.
टोटल फ्यूल अपॉन फ्यूल फ्लो पर आवर. रिमेंबर. ओके.
Yeah.
Are you following?
Yes, I am.
3. One more sum.
Yeah.
Let's see if you can solve this. You have used 3700 liters of fuel.
Okay.
In last 1 hour 45 minutes.
1 hour 45 minutes. Okay.
What is your fuel consumption rate?
Fuel consumption rate. Okay. So 1 hour 45 minutes. No, so it will be 105 05 37.
गिवन क्या है, उसका यूनिट क्या है, कैल्सी में उसको प्रॉपर्ली डाल दो, आंसर ऑटोमेटिकली मिल जाएगा।
Yes, sir.
फ्यूल लीटर में दिया है तो
Fuel.
वॉल्यूम को लीटर
Yes, sir.
में
Yes,
कर
sir.
दो, एल।
Volume will be in liter. Yeah,
यस। टोटल ड्यूरेशन 1
liter.
आवर 45 मिनट्स।
1 hour 45 minutes. Yes, sir.
सो कंजम्पशन रेट पर आवर मिल जाएगा आपको।
3700 liter. Um, one. Okay. So मिनट्स में करेंगे इसको
फ्यूल
अपन
कंजम्पशन लीटर पर आवर में आएगा कि केजी पर आवर में आएगा?
105. So what?
फ्यूल
Fuel
कंजम्पशन।
consumption sir kg
वेरी
kg
वेरी
per
गुड,
hour में आएगा.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
So sir, fuel consumption will be 1520 kg per hour.
नेगेटिव, रॉन्ग आंसर।
Wrong answer. Hmm. 1 second, sir. Hmm.
कैसे क्या आपने, मुझे दिखाओ।
So volume will be 3700 liters, right?
यस।
And the duration will be 1 hour 45 minutes. तो उसको minutes में करके it will be 105 minutes.
105, ओके ओके।
Yeah. And
शो मी
उसके
योर
बाद
कैल्सी।
में बस the weight. Yeah. So फिर
सो आंसर मुझे आप दे दो दोनों यूनिट्स में, लीटर्स पर आवर एंड केजी पर आवर। ठीक है,
yeah.
दोनों आंसर दे दो, क्योंकि आपका जो लीटर्स पर आवर आंसर आ रहा है टेक्स्ट बुक के हिसाब से, वो लोग ने केजी पर आवर दिया है आंसर। शो मी वंस अगेन इफ यू हैव फेड इन द प्रॉपर यूनिट्स।
Yes, sir. So I'll do it one more time. So the volume is 3700 liters, and my duration will be 1 hour 45 minutes. So 60 plus 45 will be 105 minutes. Okay. So my duration will be 105 minutes. सर रेट आ रहा है, सर वही रेट आ रहा है 1520 kg per hour का.
दोनों आंसर लिख दो, केजी पर आवर एंड लीटर्स पर आवर।
Okay.
लीटर्स पर आवर भी आंसर आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir. 2114.
सो वो भी लिख दो एंड दोनों आंसर लिख दो।
2114 liters per hour and 1520 point kg. सर बुक में कितना है?
1520 क्या है आंसर आपका?
1520.08 kilograms per hour.
बुक में लीटर्स पर आवर को केजी पर आवर दिया है। कभी कभी ऐसा होता है।
Okay.
अभी हम क्या करेंगे ना,
Okay.
यूनिट कन्वर्टर में जाओ एंड
Yes, sir.
3700 लीटर्स को केजी में कन्वर्ट करके देखो।
Okay. 3700 liters को जी. तो मेरे को इसमें यूनिट कन्वर्जन्स में थोड़ा बहुत नहीं समझा है, लाइक वॉल्यूम विल बी 3700 लीटर्स, राइट? एंड उसका वेट नहीं आ रहा है। I don't know. Second. क्योंकि सर यहाँ पे काफी सारे, एक सेकंड,
शो मी योर कैल्सी।
या सो सर यहाँ पे काफी सारे यूनिट्स मेरे ख्याल से सबको साथ में डालना पड़ता होगा, बिकॉज इफ आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू वन तो उसका आंसर
नहीं
नहीं आ
नहीं
रहा है।
नहीं नहीं, रुको। जो वॉल्यूम लिखा है ना, वॉल्यूम में
यस,
क्लिक करके यूनिट कन्वर्टर दबाते रहो बार बार, एंड सी ऑल द पॉसिबल कन्वर्जन्स इट डज।
देयर इज यूएस गैलन्स, यूके गैलन्स, दैट इज इंपीरियल गैलन, यूएस क्यूटी, यूके क्यूटी एंड लीटर्स।
सो वो केजी में नहीं है आंसर हमारे पास।
नहीं, केजी में नहीं है सब,
ठीक है,
वॉल्यूम में
ठीक है,
ना।
ठीक है। योर आंसर इज करेक्ट। ठीक है।
यस सर।
रिमेंबर, दोनों आंसर रखना है, एग्जाम में ऑप्शंस को मैच करना है। कैल्सी में लीटर्स में भी आंसर आ रहा है, केजी में भी आंसर आ रहा है। केजी
यस
टू
सर।
लीटर, लीटर टू केजी का एक कन्वर्जन होता है जिसको स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी बोलते हैं।
ओके।
वो आपको मैं बताऊंगा। अ, ठीक है, बट उसके पहले हम लोग
यस सर।
आगे का देखते हैं।
या
सो कैल्सी में प्रॉपरली आंसर फीड करना है, कन्वर्ट प्रॉपरली करना है। आप एंड्योरेंस निकाल सकते हो, हाउ मच फ्यूल यू विल यूज निकाल सकते हो, या व्हाट इज योर फ्यूल कंजम्पशन भी निकाल सकते हो।
यस
ठीक
सर।
है। क्वेश्चन में डेफिनेटली लीटर्स है तो आपका आंसर लीटर्स में आ जाएगा। 2114
या
करेक्ट था आपका आंसर। अगर आपको स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी दी गई है तो आप लीटर्स को केजी में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो, ओनली व्हेन यू हैव
यस
स्पेसिफिक
सर,
ग्रेविटी। व्हाट?
स्पेसिफिक, या।
स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी।
तो तो उसको वॉल्यूम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए उसका लाइक एवरी हर चीज का वेट भी अलग होगा ना, लाइक द वेट ऑफ
डिपेंड।
वाटर इज डिफरेंट, द वेट
या
ऑफ एवी गैस
या
इज
सो
डिफरेंट, या।
स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी अगर दी गई है कंपेयर टू वाटर ओनली बेसिकली, तो हमारा
या।
वॉल्यूम चेंज होते रहता है। वॉल्यूम टू केजी
ओके।
का वैल्यू चेंज होते रहता
या।
है, इसलिए कैल्शियम में वो डेफिनेटली आपको नहीं दिया।
या।
ओके, नाउ विल डू डिस्टेंस कन्वर्जन वेरी क्विकली। यूनिट कन्वर्टर खोलो।
यस सर।
कन्वर्ट 148 kilometers
यस सर। 140,
to statue
या,
miles and
वन।
nautical miles। क्या है आंसर?
सर यूनिट कन्वर्टर में देयर इज ओनली डिस्टेंस, स्पीड, ड्यूरेशन,
तो
टेम्परेचर,
डिस्टेंस
प्रेशर।
में 148 kilometers डालो एंड कीप प्रेसिंग यूनिट कन्वर्टर, इट विल चेंज इट्स यूनिट्स।
ओके, या, गॉट इट, गॉट इट। In 91.96,
स्टैच्यू माइल्स इज
91.96 statute miles,
एंड
148
नॉटिकल माइल।
kilometers. Nautical mile is 79.91 nautical miles.
ओके, नाउ कन्वर्ट 256 meters
256 meters.
to yards and feet।
Okay. So feet 839.90 feet. 839.90 feet. And so yards में तो नहीं दिया है यहाँ पे. There is such a miles, feet. What is IN?
इंचेस।
Yeah, that is inches. Kilometers, meters, centimeters, nautical miles, miles, feet, inches. So yards नहीं दिया है यहाँ पे.
सो पार्किंग लॉट में लिखो मीटर टू यार्ड कन्वर्जन।
Okay.
पार्किंग
Yeah.
लॉट में फाइंड आउट मीटर टू यार्ड कन्वर्जन।
Meter to yard conversion. Yeah. So last time you told me device for unit Tesla. It is EMF meter?
EMF meter.
Is it EMF meter?
Yeah, there is a name for that.
Yes,
There
sir.
is a name to given to that meter.
Yeah.
Okay, now distance conversion is done. Do volume conversion for me.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Convert 136 liters
136 liters.
to imperial gallons and US gallons.
US gallons will be 35.93 US gallons. And imperial gallons, 1 second, 136 liters.
What is your US gallon
Towards
answer?
35.93 US gallons. And imperial gallon will be 29.92 UK gallon.
In examinations, most of the times, you will be rounding off your answers. So anything 0.92 will be rounded off to the nearest whole number.
Nearest, yeah, that is 30. Yeah.
So is equal to 36 US gallons
Yes, sir.
or 30 UK gallons
Yes, sir.
or imperial gallons.
Yeah.
Now we need to know volume to weight.
Okay.
Volume to weight.
Volume to weight.
Liters or gallons to
Hmm.
kg or pounds. Okay.
Or pounds. Yes, sir.
You can find it out, can be found out knowing, write these points, okay?
Yes, sir. Found out
Specific gravity of the liquid
specific gravity
can be found out
of
knowing specific gravity of fuel of the liquid, that is fuel.
liquid. Yes, sir.
What is specific gravity? Specific gravity, also known as relative density. Underline this point. Specific gravity,
Yes,
also
sir.
known as relative density, is the density compared to the density of water.
Is the density compared to the
Density compared to the density of water.
of water? Yeah.
Very important point. 1 liter of water weighs 1 kilogram in metric system.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And to change it into imperial, 1 imperial gallon weighs, any guesses how much in pounds?
In pounds. Uh,
10 pounds.
10 pounds. Okay. 10 pounds. Yeah.
Example, if a fuel has specific gravity of 0.80,
Of 0.80,
then 1 liter
then 1 liter,
weighs how much?
0.80, 1 liter will be
So if
Specific gravity
specific
is
gravity is
0.80.
0.80, then 1 liter will weigh 0.8 kg.
0.8 kg. Yeah.
So if the specific gravity is 1, then 1 liter will weigh 1 kg.
1
So if
kg.
the
Yes,
specific
sir.
gravity is 0.8, then 1 liter will weigh 0.8 kg.
0.8 kg. Yes, sir.
Very simple.
Yes, sir.
0.8 kg. We're just talking about it, right?
Yeah.
And 1 imperial gallon will weigh how much? Imperial gallon?
Will weigh 80 pounds? No,
80 or
0.8 kg.
8 pounds?
8 pounds. Sorry, it is 0.8. Yeah. 8 pounds.
8 pounds. Remember, 1 liter of water, 1 kg, 1 gallon of water, 10 pounds. This is
Yes, sir.
the same is for the fuel when your specific gravity is 1. The
1.
moment your
Yeah.
specific gravity reduces, your liter to kg will reduce.
Yes, sir.
Remember this, okay?
Yes, sir.
One important point, the calorific value of fuel is
Okay.
related to its mass, not its
Value of
volume.
fuel is related
Underline mass.
to, yes, sir. Mass, not volume.
Therefore, you need greater volume of fuel at lower specific gravity. So if your specific gravity is less of the fuel, you need more volume. Why more
Yes, sir.
volume? Because
Yes, sir.
more volume will required for the compensation of the weight, because calorific value is depending upon the weight. What is
On the weight.
calorific
Yeah.
value? You can talk about calorific value as the energy value.
Okay.
Energy, we need the energy to give us thrust. So if my
Yes, sir.
specific gravity is less, it means more volume will be required to give the specific same amount of thrust.
Yes, sir.
Because thrust you will get with respect to mass. So
Yes,
need
sir.
greater volume of fuel at lower specific gravity to give same amount of energy.
Yes, sir.
To give, these are very tricky questions. Okay, you should understand
Yes,
it
sir.
and remember it.
Yes, sir.
Compared to a smaller volume at a higher specific gravity.
Higher
So
specific
better the
gravity.
specific gravity, better is. So आपको कम पैसा खर्च करना है तो हाई स्पेसिफिक
High
ग्रेविटी का
speed
फ्यूल ले लो
specific
आप, तो आपको
gravity. Yeah.
कम वॉल्यूम में
Yeah.
रिक्वायर्ड एनर्जी मिल जाएगी. अगर स्पेसिफिक,
Yeah.
इसीलिए फ्यूलिंग के टाइम हमेशा स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी चेक करते हैं. आप आपके वही के इफ यू गो फॉर योर रूट ट्रांसपोर्ट fueling, they have mentioned the specific gravity.
Yes,
Fuel
sir.
and
Yes, sir.
diesel,
There
petrol,
is.
every day they do it. In
Yes, sir.
aviation,
There
we
is. Yeah.
calculate. In on roadways, we don't calculate. That's the only difference.
Yeah.
Because in aviation, the weight plays a major factor.
Yes, sir.
This energy that I'm talking about, write these points clearly, okay? This energy
Yes, sir.
may be expressed as range in nautical air miles. Now,
Yes, sir.
range is the maximum distance the aircraft can fly in the given amount of fuel, and endurance is the maximum time the aircraft can stay in air, okay?
Yes, sir.
Or possibly as endurance. Range or endurance. Range is for
Yes, sir.
distance, endurance is for time. We'll take a quick 2-minute breather, let it all sink
Yes,
in,
sir.
then we'll do a solution on specific gravity, volume, and all.
Yes, sir.
Just 2-minute breather.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll take a practical example.
Yeah.
Thus, 200 liters at 0.80 specific gravity
Yes, sir.
weighs, tell me how much?
200 liters at 0.80 specific gravity. Liters, no? So liters were, a second, if it is 1 liter, zero point 0.8, no? So zero point 0.8 kgs of specific gravity. If you specific gravity of 1 liter, okay. So it will weigh, sir, it 200, no? So mm, 16 kgs?
1 liter is 1 kg if
One,
the specific
yes, sir.
gravity is 1. 1
Yeah.
liter is 0.8 kg when specific
If
gravity
the
is zero point
specific
0.8.
gravity is 0.8, yeah.
So how much is 200
So
liters?
200. So yeah, 0.0.
How will you solve? See, there are only a limited numbers to solve. Start solving and you'll
Yes, sir.
start getting answers.
160, 160.
160 kg.
Yeah,
Weighs 160 kg. Very good.
kg. Yeah, yeah.
If fuel at 0.75 kg is used.
Okay.
So what will be the weight?
If fuel at 0.75 kg is used,
Yes.
so means
So if we are using a fuel with a specific gravity of 0.75 kg,
okay, 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 okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. So
then
0.75.
dash liters of
Yeah.
fuel will be needed to cover the same distance.
Okay. So 200 liters add it gives us one. So one specific gravity is equals to 0.75. So point 0.75. 150?
What 150? That is in kg.
150
Look
kgs,
on the
yeah.
screen. What is the unit?
Okay, it is liters.
Your
So
specific gravity is less. So what will happen to
to
the volume? Volume will increase or decrease?
volume will increase.
Increase. Very good. So now you know
Yes, sir.
there will be an
Yes, sir.
increased
Yes, sir.
value of volume for the same amount of distance.
For the
But how
yes,
much?
sir. So how will calculate? Can you please tell me?
Do some R&D on your NavCalc. See if there is any option to convert.
Yeah, yeah. Specific. Mm, volume. Mm, no, sir, I don't think so. There is something on my NavCalc. Standard, no. 0.75 specific gravity is used, kg is used. Then liters cover the same distance. So how we'll do it? Please tell me.
Try solving.
Mm,
You have so much of basic knowledge right now. Try to play
yes,
around
sir.
with it.
Yes, sir.
Try to play around.
Yes, sir.
Compare your existing info.
Yeah. 0.75 kg. Then liters. Okay. So पास में mm, so volume will be greater, same amount of higher SG. Okay, so SG is 0.75 liter. Okay. One, mm, 8 pounds. 1 UK average. 8 pounds. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Liters करना है. So this 150 pounds. That
Come on,
mm,
quick.
yes, sir, yes, I'm trying.
Good, good. Try.
So 150. This is 60.4 kg. No, sir. Can you please tell me? I'm not getting. What I'll do is 150. 1 second. 150 in 3. Okay. So 1 second, sir. I'm getting, yeah.
Take your time.
0.75. Yeah. So 330 0.75. 440. Okay. So what is the answer?
What is your answer?
So I don't know. So, sir, tell me, 0.75 is kg, right? So, 0.75 specific gravity. So it will be higher. So liters.
0.75 is the specific gravity, okay?
Yes, sir, right.
I have written kg, I'll
So
correct it.
yeah. So if we do it in kg, it will be 150, but we want it in liters, right? And the specific gravity is 0.75. Okay. So, mm, so what we'll do is first we will convert kgs into pound, right?
Not necessary.
Not necessary.
Why pound? You're dealing with volume and you're dealing with weight. That is liters and
Yeah,
kg.
yeah.
It's very simple. Just try to do some more
Yes, sir.
R&D and then we'll solve this. So see, at
Yes, sir.
0.80,
Yeah,
200 liters
yeah,
is giving you 160 kg.
yeah. Yes, sir.
At 0.75, how many liters will give you 160 should be the question.
Okay.
Because your calorific value is dependent upon the mass. So your
Yes,
mass
yes,
has
sir.
to be constant, 160. But
160,
at
right?
0.75, your mass is reduced by 10 kg because you are getting 150 as your
10
answer.
kg.
सो
Yeah,
मास बढ़ाना है 160 ले जाना है तो वॉल्यूम भी बढ़ेगा कितना बढ़ेगा
yeah.
वॉल्यूम तो 200 से ज्यादा ही होने वाला है आंसर इतना तो आपको समझ में आ
Yes,
गया
sir.
200 से ज्यादा ही होने वाला है
Yes, sir.
आंसर
समझ गया.
बस कितना
Yes, sir.
ज्यादा होने वाला है वो आपको फिगर आउट करना
Okay. So वो कैसे figure out करेंगे?
ट्राई ना एग्जाम में ऐसे सिचुएशंस आ सकते हैं आपको जो आपको
Yes,
खुद के दिमाग से सॉल्व करना होगा तुम
can you
ट्राई
give me
करो
some options? Sir, exam में options रहेंगे.
इट्स लाइक यू कैन डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन
1 second, I'll do it here.
डू
Mm,
अगर 200 लीटर्स आपको
200 liters,
दे रहा है 160 kg, then how many
160
liters will
kg.
give you 150 kg?
Okay. One.
So 200 into 150 is equal to x multiplied by 60. Therefore, 200
60.
into 150 divided by 60 equal to
Six.
x. You should play around with numbers and not be scared.
Yes. So,
Let
yes,
me,
sir.
let me use the calculator.
One.
200 50. 3000 60 is equal to 7.
3,000. So we'll divide 3,000 by 160. Yes, we will do.
फिर भी सही आंसर नहीं आएगा.
नहीं आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है. Yes. So what is the answer given in book?
I'll tell you the answer, but we have to come
Yeah.
to a figure which is more than 200 liters.
More than, yes, sir.
Yeah. So we are not doing something right.
Mm. Mm. 0.75 SG, ठीक है.
So stand by.
Yeah. तो इधर में तो 160 ही रहेगा, ठीक है. 0.80 में 160 आ रहा है, ठीक है. 200 लीटर्स है. ओके समझ गया. So that is 250. Okay. 256. 0.80 में 200 लीटर्स स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी है. 0.80, ठीक है. तो 160 आ रहा है, समझ गया, ठीक है. 160 ही केजी है, स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी 75 है. One thing I'll do. So
Are you able to get it?
Some trying.
Given क्या है?
So is the
200.
answer 2? Yes, sir. 200 liters. 0.80 पे आता है 160 kgs. Okay. So 0.75 पे कितने लीटर्स होगा जिससे वो 160 kgs आए?
Yes, 160 kg आए. Very good.
So is the answer by any chance 266?
How much?
I just
Say again.
266.
266? No.
266.
No.
No. It was just a random guess.
Good guess. Good guess. That was a good calculated guess. I'm also doing R&D.
वन सिक्सटी तो वैसे ही रहेगा, ठीक है. 200 मतलब इंटू 2 हो जाएगा ना. ठीक है.
देखो, 200 liters into 0.75 अगर हम
इंडिया.
करते हैं.
Yes, sir. It
Into
is
0.75, you get 150.
It is 150, right?
You want more 10 kgs.
160. Yeah, I want more 10 kgs. Okay. So, two, okay, 1 second. 1 second. 2, 1, 2.
Okay.
Yeah. Sir, 214.
How did you get 214?
So what I did is, so what I did, 200. So many bata tha. So I first did it with 210. Then the answer was getting close to 160. Then I got for 211, 212, 213. 213 was 159.75. And then 214 was 160.5.
160.5.
5.
So उसके पहले वाला आंसर ज्यादा क्लोज है आपका. 213.
ज्यादा क्लोज है यार.
हम्म.
213.
गुड 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 गुड. देखा कैसे R&D रिवर्स कैलकुलेट करके आंसर
Yes.
सही आया.
Yes, sir. Yes.
तो मैं तुम्हें एक मेथड दिखाऊं.
159.5. Yeah.
जनरल नैव इज ऑल अबाउट दैट. बेस सॉलिड हो गया ना आपका, फिर आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
Yeah.
चेक दिस. अभी मैं एक मेथड में समझने की कोशिश कर रहा था. सो
Yeah.
150 kg टोटल 10 kg एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए मुझे.
Yes,
मुझे
sir.
पता है 0.75 लीटर्स. अगर 0.75 स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी है, मतलब 1 लीटर विल बी 0.75 kg.
0.75 kgs. Right.
मुझे 10 kg एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए.
10 kg extra चाहिए. Yeah.
सो मैं क्या करूँगा, 10 डिवाइड बाय 0.75 13.33.
213. Yes. 21.
So I will get
213. No,
13
sorry. Yeah. 213.
liters. 13.33 आ रहा है कैल्शियम में.
सर आंसर 213 है ना.
यस.
सो सर अपन उसको डायरेक्ट कर सकते हैं ना. सो 160 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.75. आई थिंक सो.
करके देखो क्या आ रहा है
बिकॉज
आंसर.
213.33.
160 डिवाइड बाय
0.75.
एग्जैक्टली. अभी कैसे ये इक्वेशन
Yeah.
दिमाग में आ गया, पहले नहीं आ रहा था.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right. 160 से basically will divide 0.75. Yeah.
So total weight upon the specific gravity will give you your
Yes.
volume.
Total weight upon specific gravity will give us volume. Yeah.
10 kg कितने में मिलेगा ये सम के हिसाब से? 13.33 लीटर.
13.33 liters. Yeah.
So 200 plus 13.33
33. Yes.
liters will give you 160 kg. So अभी हमें 3 मेथड मिल गए करने के. डायरेक्टली
Yes,
आपको
sir.
160 kg डिवाइड बाय स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी करो. बट पहले क्यों नहीं आ रहा था हमारा आंसर? पहले भी मैंने ये इक्वेशन सॉल्व किया था.
So मैं I don't. So एक बार I got 2000 liters also.
It is okay.
I
It
did
is okay.
in pounds. Then I jumped to UK gallons and उसके वजह से पूरा वो.
ठीक है.
Yes.
एक
So
आंसर आप 4 अलग अलग तरीके से भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो.
33. Yes, sir. Solution.
Now solve this example.
Yeah.
Convert 300 US gallons
Convert 300 US gallons
to A imperial gallon, B is liters,
UK gallon,
C is pounds, D
liters,
is kilogram.
pound, kilogram.
Using specific gravity of 0.80.
Of 0.80. Okay. So ठीक है.
Quickly. Imperial
Yes,
gallons.
sir. Imperial gallons will be 249.
पूरा आंसर बोलो.
249.80.
So 250 हो जाएगा. राउंड ऑफ करो इसको.
Yeah. 250 UK gallons.
Anything above 0.5 you will round it off.
Yes, sir. Liter will be 1100. No, sorry, 1136 liters.
How much is the value? 113.
113.5.62.
Okay.
1136.
136
Yeah.
pounds.
Pounds. 1 second.
पहले आप यूएस गैलन टू
पहले
इंपीरियल
पहले
गैलन
पहले
करोगे,
केजी. यस सर, यस सर, यस सर.
फिर इंपीरियल गैलन का पाउंड्स वाला इक्वेशन यूज करोगे.
Pound. Yes sir.
1 pound is
1 pound
one
is
imperial gallon is 10
1
pounds.
8 pound. 10 pounds.
1 imperial gallon 10 pounds. If your specific gravity is 1, if your
Yeah.
specific gravity is 0.8, then 8 pounds. Correct.
0.8 pounds. Yeah. Yeah.
So 300
0.8
gallons will be
pounds. 300.
whatever you imperial you are getting. First convert US gallons to imperial gallons to get answer in pounds.
Yes sir. Okay. Yeah. समझ गया. 250. It will be 200 pounds.
Check your answer. Incorrect है.
Incorrect है? 1 second. So
200 pounds or 2000 pounds?
So 300 US gallons. UK gallons में है 249.8. That is approximately 250, right? So 250 and specific gravity है 0.80 की. Okay.
तो 250 into 8 करोगे आप.
250 into 8 करेंगे.
आपने क्या किया?
Oh, yes.
8 gallons ना?
हाँ. 8 gallons. Yes. Sorry.
1 imperial gallon is 8 pounds. When
Yes.
specific gravity is
Yes,
0.8.
yes, sir.
1 imperial gallon is 8 pounds.
Yes, sir. Got it. Yeah.
क्या
समझ
गड़बड़
गया.
हुआ?
मैंने 0.8 कर दिया था.
0.8 नहीं करना है. 8 pounds. 1
Yes.
gallon is 8
Yes, sir.
pounds and 1 kg is 0.8 pounds. 1 liter is 0.8 kg.
Yes, sir.
So what's the
1
answer?
liter is 0.8 kg. So 2000 pounds. And so उसी को फिर अपन जैसे 2000 LBS है. So 2000 LBS.
क्या आ रहा है आंसर? डायरेक्ट कन्वर्ट करके बताओ क्या आंसर आ रहा है.
907 kg.
907.18. ओके. और प्रॉपर वे में कैलकुलेट करो. यूएस गैलन्स को लीटर में पहले कन्वर्ट करो.
यस सर. यूएस गैलन्स को अपन कन्वर्ट करेंगे लीटर में. ओके. तो ठीक है.
क्या रहा आंसर?
1 सेकंड मैं कर रहा हूँ. सो 1135 लीटर्स है हमारे पास में. 1135 लीटर्स है. ठीक है. और
तो 1 लीटर 0.8 गैलन 1 लीटर 0.8 kg हो रहा है.
क्या सर?
1 लीटर 0.8 kg होगा ना?
यस. 1 लीटर 0.8 kg है. तो उसको इनटू.
सो टोटल लीटर्स इनटू
908. Right.
This is correct. Don't directly do it. Always go step by step.
Yes sir. 908 kgs.
हर एक आंसर को अच्छे से स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको करना.
Yes sir.
रिमेंबर आप ये चीजें मेमोराइज करनी है कि 0.8 है स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी, तो 1 लीटर इज 0.8 kg
1 kg and 1
gallon is 8
pound.
pounds.
Gallon is 8 pounds. Yes sir.
So when specific gravity is 1, then 1 liter is 1 kg and 1 gallon is 10 pounds. वो हमने लिखा है.
Yes sir. 1 is 10 pound. Yes sir. We have written that.
Good. So आज काफी कुछ सीखा है. Please go through your notes once again. Solve the same questions once again. Same questions.
Yes sir.
Once again. ठीक है. कल के क्लास में हम लोग एयर स्पीड एंड एयर स्पीड रिलेटेड कैलकुलेशंस करने वाले हैं. मैक नंबर भी आ जाएगा उसमें, प्रेशर एल्टीट्यूड भी आ जाएगा।
यस सर।
सो सारे सम्स वापस से सॉल्व करना, अच्छे से रिवाइज करना, ठीक है।
यस सर, यस सर। या।
गेट यूज टू योर कैलसी, कीप प्लेइंग अराउंड विथ योर कैलसी, देखो क्या क्या है
यस
क्या
सर।
क्या नहीं है उसमें।
यस सर।
सो क्वेश्चन टाइम, प्लीज आस्क मी इफ देयर आर एनी क्वेश्चंस।
नो सर, नो क्वेश्चंस आज के
लास्ट
क्लास में,
क्लास
नो
के क्लास
क्वेश्चन।
नोट्स मिले थे क्या?
रैमराइज वाला। यस सर, यू गेव मी टिल द डी लैट एंड डी लॉन्ग वाला तक के, उसके बाद से नहीं। फ्यूल फ्लो से यू डिडंट गिव।
ठीक है, क्वेश्चंस प्लीज।
नो सर, नो सर, नो, नो क्वेश्चंस।
गुड टू सी यू बैक इन एक्शन। जल्दी से हम लोग
यस सर।
करते हैं।
I feel very nice. I feel energetic actually आज की
You have
क्लास के
got
बाद।
good hold on navigation. I am very, very
यस सर,
happy
यस सर।
uh, to see. But abhi
यस
practice is
सर।
the key now.
या।
No questions?
नो 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 सर, नो क्वेश्चंस।
Go through a review of today's session in your notes once, see if there are any questions.
नो सर, नो क्वेश्चंस right now. I'll do it once again रात में and I'll tell you if I have any questions in tomorrow's session.
Okay, then I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Do well, revise and solve the same questions again.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Make it a
Sure.
habit. And revise
Yeah.
everything, not just today's class.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay, then see you tomorrow. Take care.
Bye sir.
Well done. Bye.
Yeah. Yes sir.